What's up guys, it's Hair Goddess, and in today's video I'll be giving you 5 tips to help you grow healthy hair and manage stunted growth. A lot of people talk about hair loss, however, stunted hair growth have almost the same consequences, and sometimes it's very frustrating to deal with because it affects your self-confidence, it affects your self-esteem, and it makes you feel sad because you feel like you're not achieving your hair goals. So that is why in this video we're dedicating it to help you manage stunted hair growth so that you can achieve your hair goals. Tip number 1, improve your nutrients and diet intake. The first thing you need to do in line with that is to eat more protein. Why? Your hair is primarily made up of a protein structure called keratin. Now repeat after me. Keratin. Beautiful, you're amazing. So by adding more protein to your diet, you're giving your body the ability to create more keratin, and that means more hair, of course. Okay, so guys, there are a lot of healthy sources of protein, so do not even tell me that this is an excuse for you to add more beef to your diet. You can have eggs, you can have tuna, salmon, Greek yogurt, and smoothie. Oh my god, I love smoothies. And the interesting thing is that you can blend it whichever way you like, so you don't have to follow what everyone is doing. Just create your unique blend of fruits and you're good to go. Drink more water. That's another thing you need to do to improve your diet and nutrient intake, because water is one of the 6 classes of food. Are you aware? Why don't we like water in this life? See, I have a bottle here, right? It's so amazing. Water of life. To help your hair grow, you know, I need to make your skin fresh. See my skin? Oh, freshest. All right, guys, let's move to the next tip, number 2. Perform regular scalp massage. Scalp massage is an effective hair growth technique because it helps your scalp to naturally receive nutrients from the body. When you massage your scalp, there is an increased blood flow to this region, you know, all of this. And blood transports nutrients all over the body. So that means your hair is getting all the nutrients. You know what that means? It automatically results to increased hair growth. So perform daily scalp massages. And I recommend that you do that for 10 minutes on a daily basis. Do this and you definitely see the result. I use the MegaGrowth oil for my scalp massages, and it helps to stimulate growth so well. Trust me guys, I have also done a video on how to massage your scalp using the MegaGrowth oil. This oil is amazing. It contains wonder oils, it contains soy, wheat, avocado oil. All of these help to promote healthy hair growth. So guys, watch that video, and before you even watch the video, I need you to get one of these MegaGrowth oil. Yeah, go get it so that when you're watching the video, you'll be able to apply it along a massage's scalp too. Remember that massages also help to reduce stress level. So you're gonna get an amazing, sweet, wonderful night's sleep when you massage your scalp. Do it and thank me later. I love you guys. Tip number 3. Avoid overstyling and excessive use of styling tools. These are 2 different things. Now, overstyling your hair is when you take out braids today. While you're still at the salon, you've already picked a weave that you're going to install immediately. So you're taking out the braids, installing the weaves. Once you take out the weaves, you're retouching your hair and doing a ponytail. Immediately after taking out the ponytail, you're doing cornrow, you're doing patewa and all of that. See, your hair is gonna suffer for it. What happens is that this leads to hair breakage, and as your hair breaks, you don't notice any increase in length, so it feels like your hair is not growing at all, but it is actually growing. The only challenge here is that you're overstyling. It does not allow your hair to regain its elasticity, so the hair breaks very easily because it is weak. You've overused the hair. This is a tip for you. Try as much as you can to give 1 week interval between hairstyles. You know what this do for you? This would help you fall in love with your real hair. It gives you the opportunity to show your hair tender love and care. How do you do that? You get a chance to deep condition your hair, moisturize your hair, check if you have split ends, trim them off. This allows you to take care of your hair. And by the time you're doing the next style, your hair is prepared because it has regained its elasticity, and you realize that your hair would grow longer. Also, excessive use of styling tools can cause your hair to break, and that way you won't notice any increase in length. Trust me guys, blow dryers, curling irons, these are great tools. But the challenge is this, that heat, excessive heat on your hair is not good for the hair. And so what I do is this, I try to blow dry my hair or curl it with hot styling tools maybe once in 2 to 3 months. And whenever I'm doing that, I have my MegaGrowth oil with me because this helps to cushion the effects of the heat on my hair. So it creates this thin layer on each hair strand such that when you apply that straightener or blow dryer on the hair, the heat actually doesn't penetrate into the hair to cause any form of damage. But you end up having your sweet style, like what I have here, and your hair will not be damaged. So you need this as a heat protectant every time you're using your heat styling tools. Also ensure that when you're blow drying your hair using a brush or a comb, get the right tools and get good tools. So see this brush, all the bristles are intact. And they have these ball-like things at the tip, like paddings, that would prevent cuticle damage. So if your brush is old, throw it away please. Buy a new one, okay? Save your hair the stress. Alright guys, we're moving to the next tip now. Tip number 4, establish a healthy hair care regimen. This is very important because it will help you manage your stunted growth situation and grow healthy hair. So you will definitely notice an increase in length when you establish a healthy hair care routine. And this involves just 5 basic steps. The first is to clean, strengthen, moisturize, seal, and trim. To clean your hair, it basically means that you have to wash your hair. And I advise that you wash your hair once in 1 or 2 weeks. Some people ask me if they have to wash your hair every day. The answer is no. It's a big no. You can't wash your hair every day because you're going to strip your hair of natural oils and then breakage will set in. You'll be over manipulating your hair and all of that. That's a discussion for another day. So to clean your hair, you need to use this. Guys, this is the Wash Day Combo Pack by MegaGrowth Nigeria. Whoops! This is a stimulating shampoo, and this is what I use to wash my hair because it helps, take off all the oils, the dirt products build up, and it infuses moisture into the hair. It's like a conditioning shampoo, it cleanses and helps manage the hair condition. And here I have the Detangling Conditioner. So that takes me to the next point, which is to strengthen your hair. The next step is to strengthen your hair, and you can do this by either deep conditioning your hair or just conditioning it. These are 2 different things, and they are different products for these purposes. So this is the MegaGrowth Deep Conditioner that you can use after washing your hair to do deep conditioning. So this product will penetrate through the cuticle and get into the cortex of the hair to restore the hair elasticity, infuse moisture and protein, and make your hair more resilient to breakage, so that way your hair is not going to break easily. That's for the deep conditioner. And now when you're using this, you put a shower cap on your hair and then leave it in there for like 10 minutes before you rinse it off. And now the Detangling Conditioner, I like to call this a surface conditioner. What it does is that it helps to silk out the hair, make it easy to detangle, smoothen it out, and restore nutrients. It fills up layers of cracked cuticle on the hair, so that way your hair looks healthy. It restores the sheen and bounce of your hair. So this is also really good. What I do is that if I'm using a deep conditioner this week when I wash my hair, the next week I switch to a detangling conditioner because this is more moisturizing and this has a higher protein content. So that's the difference. The next step is to moisturize your hair. And how do you do that? Of course, I use MegaGrowth Break Free. This smells so sweet. Okay, so I just applied this to my hair, and after doing that, I use the comb to detangle it so that it penetrates even better. And the next thing I do is to seal the ends with this oil, and that is the next step. Every time you moisturize your hair, ensure that you seal it. If not, the moisture, everything is just going to disappear, get evaporated into the air, and you would end up with dry hair later. So you just need to seal the ends with the MegaGrowth oil. And I'm moving to the next thing. I know you're thinking about it now. How do you even do that? You're trying to grow hair, you know, increase hair length, and then I'm asking you to trim it. That it helps. I mean, there is a myth that says that the more you trim your hair, the longer it goes. That's actually a myth. But I have some sentiments though, and this is it. When you trim your ends, it prevents breakage, it controls split ends, so your hair won't break haphazardly. And that way you're retaining more length. So trim your hair, guys, and every time you trim, make sure you moisturize those ends, those freshly cut ends, and also apply the MegaGrowth oil to seal it. That is very important because it would help those ends to, you know, stay protected. They will not split further, and your hair will look a lot healthier. Tip number 5, guys, reduce stress level. Now, I know that stress is a normal part of our life. However, subjecting yourself to undue amount of stress over a long period of time can affect your hair and your entire body. So guys, try as much as you can to rest well, exercise, meditate. These are ways to help you manage stress level, reduce your stress level. So exercising often. I try to exercise every day for 15 to 30 minutes depending on how much time I have. But I do that and it helps me a lot. So if you can do that, it would help you too. And you know what? When you meditate, you exercise, you relax, your body's going to function effectively, and you're also going to grow healthy hair. So far, guys, we've talked about 5 tips to help you grow healthy hair and manage stunted growth so you can achieve your hair goals. The first tip was for you to improve your diet and nutrient intake, and the second was for you to perform regular scalp massages. The third tip was for you to avoid overstyling and excessive use of styling tools. Tip number 4 was for you to establish a healthy hair care routine. And finally, try as much as you can to reduce your stress level. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think about any of these points. If you need clarification on anyone, do well to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's Ekemini Obiko right here, aka the Hair Goddess. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.